Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery in a Ford Ranger. If you've got this fob, it wasn't used very often, kind of around 2011 or so. Here's how you change the battery. So the key here is we've got to separate this into two pieces. You look at the side here, kind of all the way around, there's an edge. And in the upper right corner here, right where my right index finger is pointing, there's a little indentation and a little notch right there, right? So if you can get like a small flathead screwdriver, or I like using actually just another key, into that notch and then twist, you can get some separation between the two parts here. And if you kind of move your way, especially towards this middle where you might put a key ring and twist, you'll be able to pop off these two pieces. So inside there's an internal 3-volt CR2032 coin battery. Just kind of pop that out. And when you replace this, just make sure that you put the positive side facing towards you, so the positive side has the lettering here. And again, this is a CR2032. Pop that battery back in, and then just take the back, replace it like so, pop everything back together, and that's it. Easy. So that's how you change the battery in Ford Ranger, around 2011 key fob. And again, you'll need a CR2032 battery for this.